Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photos into a family guy photo or art in the TensorArt. So in here, I've already opened the TensorArt page on my browser. And if you want to use this AI tools, you just need to sign up first. You can sign up with your Apple or Google account, or you can also sign in with your Discord like I did. And after you are signed up, you can just sign in. Then here on the home page, you can go to the AI tools on the left panel and you'll find this Family Guy 5. So what you need to do is just click on it, and here are the preview of what your photo will look like with the Family Guy 5. So in here, you just need to upload a photo to this box. So you can click or drag a file. I'm going to just click on it and then drag a file. For example, I'm going to use this photos right here. You can click on open. Now the photo will be uploading, and then you can just click on go. Okay, waiting. The image generation is expected to take 30 to 120 seconds. So the generating process is not too long. You can just wait. You can see that it start generating. You can just wait until it became 100%. Okay, so the photo that I uploaded before will look like this. Now you can preview it by clicking on a photo, and in here, if you like it, you can just click on the arrow down to download the result. So that's how you can transform your photo into a Family Guy vibe art. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.